Welcome to Hunawihr, a truly precious secret tucked away along the famed Alsace wine route. It's a tiny village, almost perfectly preserved, that exudes a profound sense of quiet charm and understated beauty. Here, time isn't just slowed, it feels as though it gently pauses, allowing you to breathe deeply and simply exist within its storybook embrace. Unlike its bustling neighbors, Hunawihr whispers its allure, inviting you into an authentic Alsatian experience, untainted by crowds, nestled among rolling vineyards. Its colorful houses seem to bloom from the landscape, promising a serene escape into a world where tradition and nature intertwine harmoniously. This is a place to discover, not just to visit. At the very heart of Hunawir's unique identity stands its most iconic landmark, the magnificent fortified church of Saint-Jacques-le-Majeur. This isn't your typical village church. It's a testament to resilience, built not only for worship, but also for defense. Dating back to the 14th century, its imposing stone walls and sturdy battlements tell a fascinating tale of a time when villagers sought refuge within its sacred confines during periods of conflict. It's a rare and captivating example of a dual-purpose structure, a place where faith met fortitude. Perched majestically above the village, the church offers a commanding view of the surrounding vineyards and the tiled rooftops below. Its robust, almost fortress-like exterior, with its thick stone walls and a defensive gate, instantly transports you to a medieval past. Yet, step inside, and you discover a peaceful sanctuary, a spiritual haven. The interior, though simpler than grand cathedrals, possesses a quiet beauty, with ancient frescoes whispering stories from centuries ago, and stained glass windows filtering the light into ethereal hues. The church's elevated position also makes its adjacent graveyard particularly poignant. Here, generations of Hunawir's residents rest, their gravestones often adorned with traditional Alsatian motifs, creating a deeply reflective space. The combination of its powerful defensive architecture and its serene spiritual interior makes the fortified church a truly unique and memorable landmark, embodying the very spirit of survival and faith that defines this charming Alsatian village. It's a place where history resonates with every stone. Wandering through Hunawir's incredibly narrow lanes is an absolute delight, revealing its quintessential half-timbered houses at every turn. These aren't simply buildings, they are vivid strokes of color against a backdrop of ancient stone, painted in traditional hues of soft blues, warm yellows, gentle greens, and deep reds. Each house possesses its own distinct personality, with intricately carved wooden beams, charming window shutters, and often small, intimate courtyards tucked away behind wooden gates. Hunawir's position on the Alsace wine route means it's not only a destination in itself, but also a perfect base for exploring the surrounding region. Nestled between the more bustling Riquewihr and Ribeauville, it offers easy access to these popular villages while providing a serene retreat at the end of the day. The picturesque roads winding through the vineyards offer endless opportunities for scenic drives, cycling, or leisurely walks, revealing breathtaking views of the rolling hills and charming Alsatian landscape. Whether you're drawn by its unique fortified church, the heartwarming presence of its storks, the intimate charm of its wine cellars, or simply the unparalleled tranquility of an unspoiled Alsatian village, Hunawihr offers an experience unlike any other. It's a place where history is beautifully preserved, nature thrives, and the pace of life invites you to slow down and savor every moment. This hidden gem truly embodies the authentic spirit of Alsace, leaving a lasting impression of peace and beauty. Come, discover the quiet magic of Hunawihr, and let its charm gently embrace your heart.